सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। चतुरशीत्युत्तरतिशततमी कक्षा 384th क्लास टुडे। ज्ञायते भवद्भिः सर्वैः अस्माभिः किं पठ्यमानमस्ति। संक्षेप रामायणम् एतावत्पर्यन्तं चतुर्चत्वारिंशत् श्लोकाः पठिताः सन्ति। तेषां श्लोकानां गतकक्षायां पठितयोः श्लोकयोः अभ्यासः यः वर्तते 25 अभ्यासः, संख्या 25 अभ्यासः। तस्मिन् अभ्यासे 6 अंशाः सन्ति। एकः एव अंशः गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः कृतः। द्वितीयांशम् इदानीं पश्यामः। यः अंशः श्लोकस्य उपरि आधारितः वर्तते, जानन्ति भवन्तः। So we are doing the abhyasa relating to the poems study, 25th abhyasa on poem 43 and 44. One point of the abhyasa was done in the previous class. Today we will finish the remaining 5. Over to point 2, Srinivas. Yatha nirdesham slokat padani chitva likata. Now you pick up the words from the sloka and then fill in the blanks here. You can do that. I'll help you out. Ka avyaya, read. Avyaya pade dve tatra staha sloke dve avyaya pade staha bhavataha te pade chitva atra lekhaniyam atra lekitavye. एकं पदमस्ति सः इति। श्रीनिवास, अन्यः अन्यत् पदम्, अन्यः शब्दः सः इति एकं पदं। द्वितीयं पदं किम्? अव्ययम्। अव्ययं पश्यतु। अन्यत् द्वे आवश्यके न तत्र। अव्ययपदे इति द्वे पदे तत्र श्लोके वर्तेते। एकमस्ति सः, द्वितीयमस्ति अन्ते पश्यतु राक्षसानां तदा वने, तदा तदा इति। So there are 2 avyas here to be pointed out, picked up. One is saha and tada. Saha and tada. Saha tada. Kha tinganta pade dve. Again 2 words of verbal verbs. What are the 2 verbs used in this poem? Abhyagaman, 1. Abhyagaman, Srinivas. Then, I think the last line you see? Pratisushrava. Lit. Abhyagaman pratisushrava. Ete dve kriyapadi. तिङन्तपदे ग कृदन्त शब्दः एकः एव शब्दः तत्र। आरम्भे पश्यतु। श्लोकारम्भे श्लोकं नाम तत्र वसतः इति। वसतः कृदन्त शब्दः अस्ति Vasataha. So ga will be vasataha, right? Gha shastyanta padani kati. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shastyanta padani. Tasya Ramasya Asura Rakshasam Tesham. Yes, Rakshasanam. 6, 5, 6. Again vasatah. Vasatah also has to be taken. Shashtiyanta, because we have Shashti, vasatah is Shashti Ekavachana. So we repeat here, Srinivas. Shashtiyanta padani shad santi tatra prathamam sarva prathamam tasya iti padam punaha ramasya trutiya asura rakshasam chaturtha tesham panchama rakshasanam shashta vasataha. So these are the Shashtiyanta in the and the Nya Prathamanta Pade Dve, two words ending in Prathama. In Rushayaha, very good.
Saha.
Prathamanta Pade. Saha is there? Prathamanta. Yes. प्रथमांत एकवचनम किमपि न उक्तम प्रथमांत पदे ऋषयः. One more is there if that goes like that. Sarve ऋषयः. So three are there. You are right, because ekavachana bahuvachana is not specified here. Prathamanta pade said, but padani we have to correct it. Prathamanta padani, three are there. ऋषयः, Saha, Sarve. I think Sarve comes first. Sarve and then Saha, last Saha. So these are all Prathamanta. We will repeat once fast. Srinivas. Ka, Saha, Tada. Kha, Abhyagaman, Pratisushrava. Ga, third one, Krudanta Shabdaha, only one, Shabdaha Vasataha. Gha, Shashtanta Padani, 6. Tasya, Ramasya, Asurarakshasam, Tesham, Rakshasanam, Vasataha. And the Prathamanta Padani, we make a correction here. Three are found. Rushayah, Sarve, Saha. So, Evam Dvitiyamshaha Sampurnaha Bhavati. Now, Prakriti Pratyaya Vibhagam Kuruta. Now, you separate the base from the suffix. For example, Vasataha, Vasat plus Vasa, that is Dhatu, and Shatru Pratyayanta. So, identification. Patataha, similarly.
First one is Shabda, Vasat Shabda. No.
Vasat is the participle actually, that is the base. But next word, what is given? Vasa is Dhatu. Vasat is Kruda, this thing, Shatru Pratyayanta, base form. Split the base and the suffix. Base is Vasata, but here is showing you the Kriya Pada, I mean Dhatu. Patat, like that, Patat, Patha plus Shatru. Patha plus, second one, Patat, Patha and Shatru. Third one, Nivasat, Nivas.
Ni is Upasarga.
So, Ni plus Vasa plus Shatru. Gha, Prakurvataha. Prakurvat, first form is Prakurvat, and then Pra plus Kru plus Shatru. Pra plus Kru plus Shatru. Gha, I mean Gha is Nya. Dhavat. Dhava plus Shatru. We are not writing this, I don't know how our students follow. Slowly once again tell. Vasataha is given, just to copy the same. Next one, Patataha. Write first below Vasat, Patat, like that, Patat. And then you take the verbal root Patha plus Shatru. Shatru is commonly coming for all. So only identify the root. Patha plus Shatru, ditto. Then Nivasat, first form. Then Ni plus Vasa, if you split, otherwise you can together take Nivas also. Ni plus Vasa plus Shatru. Then Prakurvataha, Prakurvat, base form is Prakurvat. Pra plus Kru, Kru in Dhatu, then Shatru. Dhavataha, Dhavat, like the above one, and Dhav is the root plus Shatru. So this way you work out. And Chaturtamshaha, Sandhim Kuruta, make Sandhi here. Vasataha Tasya. Already done. Vasatas Tasya Visarga Sandhi. Rushayaha Abhyagaman. What does it become? It is there in the sloka, na? Rushayobhyagaman. You can see
Yes.
Rushayo Abhyagaman. Rushayo. Then Visarga Sandhi again. Dhiraha tatra becomes Dhiras tatra. Visarga. Dhiras tatra. Sarvetra. 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 This is Purva Rupa Sandhi. Sarve, and when you write, the A will be made avagra. S mark. Avagra. Sarvetra. Munayaha agachan. Munayo gachan. Munayo agachan. Visarga Sandhi. Pathanaya atra. Savarna dirgha. Pathanayatra. Patanayatra. Yatra. Patanayatra. Yatra it become not dirgha. So easy. Do you think?
Yeah.
We'll repeat. Second one. Rushayo abhyagaman. Rushayo. That's all. Abhyagaman. Dhiras tatra. Sarvetra. Munayo gachan. Patanayatra. Okay. Panchama samasam kuruta. Making the compound.
In your writing, we will show these two, sir.
Which
Avagra has one, he is there, no? Rushayo
that is better.
And Munayo.
Yes, we will show some difficult. Actually, I can write here and it comes into the monitor. That system we have to adopt. I will have a slate here, digital pen. That you can take, I think it immediately comes into the monitor. Okay. Asurascha rakshamsi cha. Asura rakshamsi dvandva samasa. One is given. Dvitiyam. Krishnascha.
Arjunascha.
You know that.
Krishna Arjuna.
Krishnarjunau. Dvandva. Again Dvandva. Krishnascha. Arjunascha. Krishnarjunau. Two are there, na? Ga. Narascha. Vanarascha. How do you join?
Naravanaraha.
That's all. Nara Vanaraha. This is also Dvandva Samasa. Pashavascha Pakshinascha.
Pashu Pakshino.
No. Pashu Pakshinaha. Pakshi Pakshinau Pakshinaha. You get the final word of the second member.
Oh.
Not Purva Pada. Uttara Pada. Whatever Uttara Pada ending is there, that will be the Bahuvachana. You can't make it. What is the ending of the Pakshi Shabda here? Pakshin Shabda, that is. Nakaranta. Pakshin. Na. Nakara. Pakshi, Pakshinau, Pakshinaha. So, Pashu Pakshinaha. This is also Dvandva Samasa. Finally, Nga. Dhavascha, Khadirascha. Dhava Khadirau. Dhavaha, both are pullingas. Dhavaha cha, Khadiraha cha. In making sandhi, Dhavascha, Khadirascha, Dhava Khadirau. These are two names of some botanical trees, plants. Dhava is also name of a tree, Srinivas. But Dhava, like we came across in the last class, Dhava also means husband. It has that meaning. Here it is a plant, some plant identified as Gresslia tomentosa. I don't know also that botanical name is there. That is Dhava. And then Khadira is Acta, Acacia capetichu. Acacia capechu. This is a botanical name for Khadira, right? So we'll fastly sum up. Krishnascha, Arjunascha get combined into samasas. Krishna Arjunau. Narascha, Vanarascha, Naravanaraha. Pashavascha, Pakshinascha becomes Pashu Pakshinaha. Dhavascha, Khadirascha, Dhava Khadirau. We may write some of these also. When I take, I'll write. It doesn't take 1 minute also. Shashtamshaha. Atra Pradatta Shabdan. I think printing is gone. Prayujya, again making sentences with this. Now Vasat, that is coming. Okay, you think of, let me start writing. Fourth point, what's on this? You think Abhyasa?
Abhyasa 25, part 4.
Part 4 means only 4.
Only
Kha. Kha part. Okay.
Vishayobhyagama. Nya. Munayo gachan.
Gachan, agachan. Next. One Purva Rupa Sandhi is there, no? You have not told. Sarve atra. Gha. That it comes here. Sarve atra. This is.
Next 5 samasa.
Samasa. Part 5. చెప్పండి. ద్వంద్వ సమాస. What is that? Dhava. Dhava Khadirao. Over. All are Dvandva Samasas. Now, in the meantime, we'll think of making sentences. Vakya Nirmana Vishaya Kinchit Alochayamaha. Vasat iti एकं पदमस्ति. एतेन वाक्य निर्माणं करणीयम्. तत्र श्लोके तु वसतः वने वसतः रामस्य इति रेडिमेड वाक्यमस्ति. पूर्वसिद्धं वाक्यमस्ति.
छात्राः गुरुकुले वसन्ति.
नो नो नो, वसत् धातु इति न, वसत् इति शत्रुप्रत्ययान्त. Shatru, participle. You have to use this only vasat, not vasat dhatu. It is not vasat dhatu that is given here. Participle is given, vasat. Vasan vasantau vasantaha. Gurukule vasantaha chhatraha. Guroho adesham sadaiva anusaranti. Gurukule vasantaha. ये छात्राः गुरुकुले वसन्तः भवन्ति ते छात्राः एव सम्यक् पठन्ति, सम्यक् अध्ययनं कुर्वन्ति. नगरे ये जनाः, नगरे वसन्तः जनाः, people who are living in the city, प्रदूषणम् अधिकम् अनुभवन्ति. वायु प्रदूषणं, जल प्रदूषणं. नगरे वसन्तः जनाः शुद्धं जलं न लभन्ते. नगरे वसन्तः जनाः शुद्धं वायुं न लभन्ते. So that way you have to वसन्तः. गृहे वसन् अहं कार्यालय कार्यं करोमि. गृहे वसन् अहं
वसन्नपि अहम्।
वसन्नपि गृहे वसन्नपि कार्यालयस्य कार्यं कार्यालयकार्यं करोमि। विदेशे वसन्तः अस्मदीयाः भारतीयाः विदेशे वसन्तः अपि स्वदेशं न विस्मरन्ति। You go on making sentences like that. विदेशे वसन्तः अस्मदीयाः भारतीयाः स्वदेशं न विस्मरन्ति परन्तु सदैव स्मरन्ति इति. So that is vasat, you have to make vasan. ग्रामे वसन्तः बालकाः नगरविषयं न जानन्ति। ग्रामे वसन्तः बालकाः नगरविषयं अधिकं न जानन्ति. Okay, that way you make kha tad. Now this you can make as you like. This is not a participle, this is a sarvanama shabda. Tad is given, you can derive, make a sentence with pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga also. Simple. Any one you can pick up and do. Make one, tad becomes pullinga, saha. Saharamaha. To begin with the contextual sentence, Saharamaha. Mahapurushaha. One sentence is over. Saharamaha Pitruvatsalaha. Saharamaha Parama. Anything you can say. Saha, you can say Sa Sita, contextual. Pativrata. Sa Sita Pativrata. That way in Napumsakalinga tad gruham sundaram asti. Tad gruham sundaram asti. Saharamaha sarvaguna sampannaha. Vai mahaguna sarvaguna sampannaha. Saha Lakshmanaha bhratru vallabhaha. So any sentence, saha. Tasya Ramasya naikani kasthani abhavan. Tasya Ramasya naikani kasthani abhavan. Many problems came to that Rama. Na ekani. Naikani. Kasthani. So you can make Tasyaha Sitayaha Marganaya Anjaneyaha Lankam Pravistaha. Tasyaha Sitayaha Anveshanaya Hanuman Lankam Pravistaha. Like that. Oh, go on making as many as you can. Prati plus Shru. Prati Shru. Oh, this is a big. In Lat first, let them show them now. Sentences few I will write after this. Verbal making will write them. Lati. Lati means in the present tense. These are the forms you can see. Shrunoti, read Srinivas. Shrunutaha. Shrunoti, Shrunutaha, Shrunvanti. Bahavaha janaha Bharatadeshe Rama Katham Shrunvanti. Adyapi. Adyapi Bahavaha janaha Bharatadeshe Rama Katham Shrunvanti. Na kevalam Shrunvanti Shravayanti cha. They not only listen but also make others listen. So that is Shru in Lat form. Shrunvanti. You can make another sentence with present tense Lati. Pratidinam vayam samskrita vartaah shrunumaha. TV madhye दूरदर्शन मध्ये वयं प्रतिदिनं संस्कृत वार्ताः अपि शृण्मः or शृणुमः. There are two forms. Oh, it is a mistake there.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
My
First one should be shrunumaha. Like shrunuvaha is there, na? That is shrunumaha. Just one correction. I think I did not check while typing. Shrunumah. Just show them this one. One form is Shrunumah, another is Shrunumah. You can take the cue of Dvivachana there in the printout. Shrunumah is there, like that Shrunumah or Shrunmah. What sentence we said? Wow. बहवः जनाः भारतदेशे संस्कृतवार्ताः शृण्वन्ति अथ वयं प्रतिदिनं संस्कृतवार्ताः दूरदर्शनमध्ये शृणुमः प्रतिदिनं द्विवारं संस्कृतवार्ताः तत्र भवन्ति प्रातः सायं द्विवारं तत्र दूरदर्शनेन संस्कृतवार्ताः प्रसार्यन्ते किं त्वं संस्कृतवार्ताः शृणोषि किं त्वं संस्कृतवार्ताः शृणोषि डू यू लिसन टू दी संस्कृत न्यूज किं त्वं प्रतिदिनं संस्कृतवार्ताः शृणोषि न श्रीमन् अहं न शृणोमि मम समीपे समयः नास्ति अधिकः समयः नास्ति इति अहं न शृणोमि इति उत्तरं भवति यस्य समीपे अधिकः समयः भवति स एव संस्कृतवार्ताः शृणोति so you can make any number of sentences. Then that is shru in lati, liti in lit, in perfect tense. Read out, Sushrava.
Shushruvatuhu, Shushruvuru.
Oh, there is a jump, Srinivas. I think this one word has come this side. Okay, that's okay.
Shushruvata, Shushruvatuhu, Shushruva.
Shushruva. That is Madhyama Purusha, Pratama Purusha. Sushrava and double form is Sushrava. The third form goes to Dvivachana. Shushruviva. Shushruviva is Dvivachana. Shushruviva is Bahuvachana.
I separated it.
You can do it?
Yeah.
That's fine. So right. But we can't do that correction, eh? That correction? No, that correction. You can't make. Shrunumaha. No. That software has to be there. Okay, anyway. That is fine. Lit is like this. Shushrava. See, in lit Srinivas, we mostly come across third person only. Lit, mostly we read in the ancient text, and there also the third person Ekavachana or Bahuvachana. Shushrava or Shushru Uhu. That is okay. Come to the Uttama Purusha also over. And then Shru Dhatoho Riti Rupani. Shroshyati will listen. Shroshyati. Shroshyataha, Shrosyanti, Shroshyasi, Shroshyataha, Shroshyati. You can make a sentence. यह संस्कृत वार्ताः श्रोष्यति तस्य संस्कृत ज्ञानम अधिकम भविष्यति. The one who will listen to the Sanskrit news, his knowledge of Sanskrit will increase. यह संस्कृत वार्ताः श्रोष्यति तस्य संस्कृत ज्ञानम वर्धिष्यति अधिकम भवति तस्य संस्कृत ज्ञानम वर्धिष्यति. That way you can say संस्कृत ज्ञानम वर्धिष्यति. किम त्वं संस्कृत वार्ताः श्रोष्यसि? Will you listen to Sanskrit news bulletin? Aham shvaha aham Sanskrit vartaah shroshyami. I shall listen to Sanskrit news tomorrow. Shvaha aham Sanskrit vartaah shroshyami. So that way you can make sentences, okay? Then Shru Dhatoho Loti, imperative mode. Loti nama imperative, Agnartha. Srunutat.
Shrunotu.
Srunotu. Srunotu. Shriman Srunotu means please listen. Srunotu. Mahodaya Srunotu.
Shrunotam.
Srunutam, you both may listen. Srunvantu. Not you both, sorry. Srunutat. Tam, let them both. Srunvantu, let them all. Sarve balakaah samskrita vartaah srunvantu. Sarve chhatraah pratidinam samskrita vartaah srunvantu. Let all the boys, students listen to Sanskrit news every day. Srunvantu. Okay? Madhyama Purusha. Srunu is very close to, in sound, Telugu. Vinu. Telugu bhashayam etadeva kriyapadam samana kriyapadam eva bhavati srunu nama vinu. Listen. Sun. Hindi bhashayam sun. Srunu. Srunutat. Double form is there. Then srunutam, srunuta. Yuyam samskrita vartaah pratidinam srunuta. You all listen to Sanskrit news every day. Yuyam samskrita vartaah srunuta. Tvam srunu. Tvam kim srunu? Samskrita vartaah srunu. Srinivasah srunotu. Samskrita vartaah srunotu. Srinivasah pratidinam samskrita vartaah srunotu. Pratama Uttama Purushe Srunavani. I may listen. Let me listen. Srunavani. Srunavava. Let us both listen. Srunavama. Let us all listen to. Vayam sarve samskrita vartaah srunavama. Let us all listen to Sanskrit news. Iti loti rupani. Lungi. Now, lungi is also not beginner's past tense. Asrunot means listen to, heard. Asrunutam, asrunvan. Asrunoho, you heard. Asrunutam, you both heard. Asrunuta, you all heard. Asrunavam, asrunavam, I heard. Asrunuva, two forms. Asrunva, we both heard. We all heard asrunuma, asrunma. Kechit atankavadinah Pathankot prante agatavantah iti vayam sarve asrunma. Asrunma, we heard that few terrorists entered into Pathankot area in India. So, like that, asrunma. So, you want me to write few sentences? Right, you will write. So what part this is? Oh, Abhyasa also I have taken out, I forgot. Abhyasa 26, part
25, part 6.
$25 or 26?
25.
Sixth part, yes. Vasat. Any one sentence. Aham Gruhe Vasannapi. We have made a sandhi here. Vasannapi. Written as Vasannapi. Karyalaya. कार्यालय कार्यालय कार्यं करोमि. This ink is gone black. Okay, take another.
Yeah.
Not there. Blue I will write. This you keep out. अहम गृहे वसन्नपि कार्यालय कार्यं करोमि. Any one more sentence you want to give? Vasat Srinivas? We made na Videshi वसंतः बहुवचन. वसंतः भारतीयाः सदा किं स्मरन्ति? स्वदेशं स्मरन्ति. स्वदेशं स्मरन्ति न विस्मरन्ति. इति एकं वाक्यं. विदेशे वसन्तः भारतीयाः स्वदेशं न सदा. दिस इज वसन्तः प्लूरल. दिस इज एकवचन, दैट इज बहुवचन. वसन् वसन्तौ वसन्तः. अरण्ये वसन्तौ रामलक्ष्मणौ शूर्पणखां राक्षसीं दृष्टवन्तौ. वने वसन्तौ रामलक्ष्मणौ राक्षसीं शूर्पणखां दृष्टवन्तौ. Just one sentence.
Instead of always.
Always is not fitting there.
Yeah,
Yes.
never.
That is, I also felt it. You also felt it. That is Sahana Vavatu. Videshe Vasantah Bharatiyaha na kadapi Swadesham. Na is not required. No. Two no's. Two negatives. One positive. विदेशे वसन्तः भारतीयः न कदापि स्वदेशं विस्मरन्ति. वंडरफुल. राइट. वन मोर. दिस इज दीज आर टू. एते द्वे वाक्ये लटि उदाहरणार्थं लिखिते. दे आर रिटन फॉर प्रेजेंट टेंस ऑफ वसत व्हिच इज शत्रु प्रत्ययान्त. देन लिटि. लिटि
No, DT is not asked. DT is not asked. Only Vasat Shabda is asked.
Oh, sorry, I am jumping to that. Okay. Vasat, okay, done. Kha. Vasat is kha. This is kha. Okay. Then next what is there?
Tad.
Tad. Tad. What? Tad we will write here. No. Any simple sentence. Sah Ramah.
Pitruhadya.
What? Sah Rama Sarvaguna Sampanna. That is better. Sarva. Any problem here? This is one sentence, okay?
Sa Sita Mahaparipada.
Sa Sita Parama Parama Pativrata. Iti dvitiyam vakyam. You can go on making any number of sentences. You can make te balaka, anything you can make, sa, tad, etc. Now there is no end to that. One or two we have shown. Then comes
Shu.
prati with shru. Oh, prati is also there. Prati shrunoti it becomes. So let them make that sentence. Yaha pratidinam samskrita vartaah pratishrunoti. Pratishru means meaning changes here. Shru to listen, pratishru to give a word, promise. Pratishrava, accepting, meaning changes. Upasargena dhatu. But anyway, shru dhatu rupas we have to know first to derive that. Pratishrunoti, pratishrunoshi, everywhere the same derivation will be there. So Rama Rakshasanam vadhaya vadam pratishrunoti. Rama Rakshasanam vadham vadhaya pratishrunoti, or for killing, vadhaya pratishrunoti. He gives a word, accepts for the killing of the Rakshasas, pratishrunoti. Then the same sentence in a liti can make Rama Rakshasa samharaya vadhaya pratishrava. Only one form is sufficient, third person ekvachan. Again take the same Rama, for everywhere if you want to take pratishroshyati. Rama pratishroshyati. Vadhaya pratishroshyati. Loti pratishrunuyat. Langi, there comes a problem in langi. In past tense, prati plus shru, ashrunot na, pratyashrunot in lung form. Oh, lungi is there. Not Hare Srinivasa, I made a mistake na here. Lung is asked, I wrote lung. Oh, let me check.
Yes, sir.
Simple past tense is asked. Let me check. Then we made a lunga prayoga here. Just 1 second, I will. Yeah, I made a mistake in that only. But titles, lung, not lung, langi. The title only mistake. So let them correct it. Langi. How to tell them now? The last part.
Not doing that.
Huh? Show them. The last part is
Langi.
not lu, not lu, not lu. Lung means in the past tense. In the simple past tense. This is correct. Shrunut, ashrunutam, shrunvan. So that's a mistake we made and type a topographical mistake. Anyway, Ravana, giving one sentence, will proceed. Ravana Shurpanakayaha nasika bhagna iti ashrunot in lang prayoga. Not joining with the shru dhatu here. Prati, we are not taking the account. Prati. There are two more Srinivas.
Tadam
tada saha, tada, very simple. When you make one sentence, tada, yada, tada, generally yada comes when you make it.
Yatha Raja Tatha.
That is ready-made, yeah. Yada, not yada, that is yatha. Yatha Raja Tatha Praja. Yada Varshati Tada Gacchami. Tada Gacchami. No link, but some only for sake of making a sentence. Yada Samskrita Vartaah Prasaryante Duradarshane. Duradarshane Yada Samskrita Vartaah Prasaryante Tada Aham Gruhena Bhavami. Quite possible. When the Sanskrit bulletin is broadcast, I am not at home. So yada tada. Yada Ravanaha Sitayaha Ashramam Prati Agachat Jagama Tada Sri Ramaha Tatra Na Asit. Yada Ravanaha Sitam Apahartum Jagama Tada Sri Ramaha Tatra Na Asit. So any sentence, if you try, you can make tada. And you can use yada, doesn't matter, because they are relative words. You can't use tada by itself. Yada invariably comes there, isn't it? Because it is a relative word. Ready-made sloka from Gita. Yada yada hi Dharmasya glanir-bhavati bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tada, then it is followed. Your tada is coming. Tadatmanam srujamyaham. Tada atmanam srujami aham. So yada opening followed by tada. So you can't start tada. Tada aham na asam. I was not there. Kada. The doubt comes kada. Then you have to again bring in yada. Yada sa durgatana sanjata tada aham na tatra asam. When that accident took place, I wasn't there.
Shrama is Pullinga.
Which one? Shrama. Shrama is Pullinga.
Yada Shrama Tadha Palam.
Yatha, yada. No, but that is yatha.
Yatha.
Yada tada relating to time. Yatha is tata are correlated, but just as like that. Yada tada are not. So, yatha just as. Tatha so. But yada and tada relate to time. They are relative to time. That is what I gave you the sloka, na? Gita sloka. Yada yada hi dharmasya. Whenever, when yada or tada is repeated twice, whenever, then itself. Yada means when, tada means then. Yada yada means whenever. And the last one, saha. Lakshmanaha ramena saha aranye vane nyavasat. Ushitavan. Lakshmanaha ramena saha Sita ramena saha aranye nyavasat. Saha always goes with trutiya. You know that we studied long back. Saha yukte apradhane trutiya. Any more sentence you want to make with saha? You can make many sentences. Okay? That is, I think, enough for sentence making. Atra sarve pancha amshaha pancha vimshasya abhyasasya षडंशाः समाप्ताः सन्ति नूतनः श्लोकः पंचचत्वारिंशः श्लोकः पठ्यतां श्रीनिवास
प्रतिज्ञा
समय अस्ति खलु
Yes, sir. 10 minutes.
दशनिमेष ओके
प्रतिज्ञातश्च रामेण वदः संयतिरक्षसाम् ऋषीणामग्निकल्पानां दण्डकारण्यवासिनाम्
पदच्छेदं करोमि प्रतिज्ञातः च रामेण वदः संयति रक्षसाम् ऋषीणाम् अग्निकल्पानां दण्डकारण्यवासिनाम् पदपरिचयं पदं प्रतिज्ञातः अकारान्त
पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचनं
च अव्ययम् च इति अव्ययम् रामेण अकारान्त
पुल्लिंग तृतीया एकवचनं
वधः
आकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचनं
संयति
संयत शब्द तकारान्त
स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः
हाँ।
सप्तमी एकवचनं संयति नाम रणे युद्धे संयति रणे युद्धे रक्षसां
रक्षस शब्द
सकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग शब्दः
षष्ठी बहुवचन।
ऋषीणां निकारान्त
आकारान्त
पुल्लिंग
पुल्लिंग षष्ठी बहुवचन।
बहुवचन अग्निकल्पानां
आकारान्त पुल्लिंग षष्ठी बहुवचन समस्तपदम्
समस्तपदं दण्डकारण्य वासिनां
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग षष्ठी बहुवचन समस्तपदम्
दण्डकारण्यवासी वासिनौ वासिनः इति प्रथम षष्ट्यां दण्डकारण्यवासिनः दण्डकारण्यवासिनोः दण्डकारण्यवासिनाम् इति षष्ठी बहुवचनमस्ति लिविंग इन द दण्डक फॉरेस्ट आकांक्षां पश्यामः प्रतिज्ञातः promised or gave a word accepted केन प्रतिज्ञातः by whom was it agreed or accepted
रामेण प्रतिज्ञातः
by Rama it was accepted or promised कः प्रतिज्ञातः who what was accepted or promised वधः प्रतिज्ञातः killing was promised or agreed to by Rama केषां वधः प्रतिज्ञातः whose killing was accepted Rakshasam. Rakshasam, the killing of the devils auguries was agreed to or promised kutra kasmin pradeshe kutra vadah प्रतिज्ञातः samyati rane yuddhe kesham sannidhau प्रतिज्ञातः in whose presence was it told or accepted ऋषीणाम सन्निधौ in the presence of the sages कीदृशानाम ऋषीणाम सन्निधौ प्रतिज्ञाता in the presence of what type of rishis was it accepted or promised by Rama अग्निकल्पानाम अग्नितुल्यानाम ऋषीणाम सन्निधौ समीपे प्रतिज्ञातः it was accepted or promised in the presence of the sages who are like fire पुनः कीदृशानाम ऋषीणाम again what type of rishis in the presence of what type of rishis the rishis who were the inhabitants of Dandaka forest in their presence Rama had given a word to them अन्वयार्थं पठतु
रामेण च अग्निकल्पानां दण्डकारण्यवासिनां ऋषीणां सन्निधौ संयति रक्षसां वदः प्रतिज्ञातः
So look at the first word and the last word in Anvaya Artha. Ramena Pratignyataha. It was promised. Ramena Pratignata means it was promised by Rama. Kim Pratignataha Agnikalpanam Dandakaranyavasinam Rushinam Sannidau Samipe Samakshe Sannidaunam Samakshe Samyati Yuddhe Rakshasanam Vadaha Pratignataha. The killing was promised by Rama in the presence of the sages, fiery who are like fire and living in the forest of Dandaka, etc. That is all. Translation they can read. Anyway, Pada Parichayam, Padartham Patam. Ramena Dasharatha Putrena Cha. Cha, it becomes Agnikalpanam, Agni Tulyanam, Dandakaranya Vasinam, Nivasatam. Dandakavane Nivasatam. Nivasatam is Shatru. Nivasataha Aranye Vasataha in the previous poem. Vasataha Vasatoho Vasatam. Of the people living in the forest. पुनः ऋषीणाम मुनीनाम संयति युद्धे रणे, whatever you say. Ahave, there is one more word, ahava. Gita uses, okay. Rakshasam, rakshasanam. This is Napumsakalinga, this is Akaranta Pullinga. Rakshas is Napumsakalinga, Rakshasa is Akaranta Pullinga. That is the third. But meaning wise, no change. Vadaha, samharaha, pratignataha, pratishrutaha. Pratishru, that is what I said in the Prati. If you add Prati everywhere, it becomes, meaning becomes changed. Bhavartham patatu.
दंडकारण्य निवासिनां अग्नितुल्यानां ऋषीणां पुरस्तात् रामेण युद्धे राक्षसानां वधः प्रतिज्ञातः.
Very straight. Rama had promised Dandakaranya Vasinam Agnitulyanam Rishinam Samakshe Athava Purastat, before the sages living in the Dandaka forest who are like fire, the killing of the demons, etc. English is okay then. Nidarshanam Vyakarnamsham Sandhi Trayam Srinivasa. Pratama Sandhi Pratignatascha, Pratignataha plus cha, Visarga Sandhi. Sacha. Now look at this. Sacha is also Sandhi. When you break, it is Visarga Sandhi, Lopa Sandhi. Sahacha, Visarga Sandhi. Sacha. Isn't it? But it looks as if there is no Sandhi, na? Lopa Sandhi. Okay. Dandakaranya Vasinam, Dandaka plus. This is Savanadhyasa. So simple Sandhi is Kha Samasa. Dandakaranya Vasinam is equal to
दंडकारण्ये वसन्ति. दंडकारण्य वासिनः तेषां उपपद.
तेषां दंडकारण्य वासिनां. दंडकारण्ये वसन्ति इति दंडकारण्य वासिनः. तेषां दंडकारण्य वासिनां. Upapada Tatpurusha. This is a division of Tatpurusha. Yes. What is Karakam? The relation between noun and the verb here. Rakshasam Vadaha. Kartru Karmanoho Krutihi. By this rule, Kartru Karmanoho iti karmani shashti. You get here, karmani shashti means karma should get what? Dvitiya. Now if you look from the syntactical point of view, Srinivas, karma, where does karma come? See, pratama is kartrupada, dvitiya is karmapada, tritiya is karanapada, chaturthi is karanasthana, you can say, okay? Chaturthi is sampradana sthana. Panchami is apadana. Shashti is swaswami bhava sambandha. Saptami is adhikarana. So if karma is dvitiya, why shashti is used here? That is a special rule. Kartru karmanoho kruti. Srinivas. When this kartrutva, kartru karmanoho krutihi, when something is mentioned like this, it can be put in karmani shashti comes here by this rule. So Rakshasam Vadaha, the killing of the demons, right? Mostly we use Vedanam Pataha. Vedan Patami Vedanam Pataha Kriyati. Take an example. I will explain again next class. Then Gha Taditantavan. Agni Kalpanam. Agni plus Kalpa. These two words are there. Kalpa is a word used in the sense of like. Tulya. Right? The Paninian Sutra is given here, Srinivas. Ishada Samaptau Kalpa Kalpa Deshiyarau is there. Deshiyarau, that is it. Kalpap, Srinivas, Ishada Samaptau, Kalpap plus Deshiyarau. Now, going by this rule, which we are not following, we are following, book follows, we are not following the rules. We are not studying that. Understand? This word, Srinivas, Deshiya and Kalpa are used in the sense of this, like. Understand? This is the Sutra Panini, Ashtadhyayi 5367. Those who are wanting to see them, 5367 you find the Sutra. Isha Asamaptau, Kalpab Deshya Deshiyaraha, etc. So we can stop here conveniently. Avadeyam to be noted for the time being is Karmani Prayogasya Vishaye, regarding the usage of Karmani Prayoga. Karmani Prayoga means passive voice. There you Shubham Bhuyat.